This video is going to show you how to create, maintain, and manage your My Data Diary Plus password and password recovery questions. As part of the initial setup process, you will be brought to this screen where you are prompted to set up your database password. This password will be used to open the tool each time you open it to get into your data, information, and documents. If you already use a family password or password protocol, I encourage you to continue to use that here as it's something you're already accustomed to using. Make sure that you set a password that is easy for you to remember but difficult to guess. The longer the password, the more secure it will be. I'm going to go ahead and enter a password here using a last name and 10-digit phone number, which includes upper and lower case letters and numbers and will be fairly secure. You can check that your passwords have been entered the same and click Next. The next step in the setup process is to create your own password recovery questions and answers. Please remember that the My Data Diary Plus tool is standalone software with no links to external servers or systems. Therefore, it is not possible for anyone but you to recover access to your database if you lose or forget your password. You can open your database using your password recovery questions and answers, but you must answer all three questions correctly with the correct capitalization, spelling, and punctuation. So be sure to select your questions and answers carefully. After you have entered your questions and answers, make sure you review them for spelling, punctuation, and capitalization, and determine if perhaps you might want to add a clue in one of the questions that would help someone needing to recover that answer. In this case, I'll add the clue 2 words. Once you are satisfied with your questions and answers, click Next. The final step in the initial setup process is to create a profile for each member of your household. To do that, you need to enter the legal first name, legal last name, and record type for each person in your household. Click the selection button to select a record, and to create an additional record, use the plus sign for Add New Record. Once you have created profiles for each member of your household, you can click the Complete Initial Setup button. You will have an opportunity to modify or create profiles from inside the tool as well. You can change your password from inside the My Data Diary Plus at any time by going to Settings and clicking Security. To update your password and recovery questions, you need to enter your current password and click Open Security Settings. Once inside the security section, you need to create a new password, retype that password, and retype the answers to your security questions. If you wish to change any of your security questions, you can do so now. If you've changed your mind, you can exit without updating, but I'm going to go ahead and modify my password, answer my recovery questions, and update the password and recovery questions. I'm going to check to make sure I've entered them the same way. Provide answers to my password recovery questions, and click Update Password and Recovery Questions. You'll get a confirmation message that your database password and recovery questions were saved. That's all that's required to update your password recovery questions and answers. Finally, if you have forgotten your password and you need to use your recovery questions to open the My Data Diary Plus solution, at the launch screen, click Forgot Your Password. This will provide you with your recovery questions. Click in the first one and enter the answers to each of the questions. When you are satisfied that you have entered the answers correctly to the questions, click Continue. This will allow you to now reset your password and modify your questions and answers if necessary. I'll change my password one more time. Confirm that I've entered it correctly, and click Update Password and Recovery Questions. It will now enter me into the database, and I have reset the password and recovery questions. That's all there is to managing and maintaining your password and password recovery questions in My Data Diary Plus.